Here's how you can create an account on Monzo. So simply open up and download your application. I have downloaded already, so I will simply tap on open. After that, tap on I am new to Monzo and start by adding your email address. After that, open up your Gmail and tap on login to Monzo app, and this will verify your login. So you just have to wait for a few seconds and tap on next button. After that, we recommend turning off your VPN. If you are using any kind of VPN, you just have to make sure to turn it off. After that, tap on continue and let's get started. Tap on personal account if you want to go with this, otherwise you can open business or joint account. So tap on next on the bottom again. After that, start by selecting your first name, your last name, your date of birth. Simply scroll the wheel, tap on done and tap on next. After that, you just have to enter the home postcode. So simply tap on I live in US or UK, or you can also select I live elsewhere. So after that, once you have selected your region, you just have to enter the home postcode and tap on next button on the bottom. After that, you have successfully created your Monzo account. Hope this helped. This is how to create an account on Monzo.